Over the years, as people have realized that we have to reimagine what industrial engineering means, we've begun to see the field as a whole migrate into new areas.
A lot of our work is pivoting around equity, accessibility, social good.
We hear of things like health engineering. We hear of things like financial engineering. These are efforts at taking the underlying methods of industrial engineering and applying it to contexts that are a little different from the traditional factories for which it was originally conceived.
One setting where it has certainly a big impact on society is electricity systems. If you have a coal plant that's producing energy the whole time, if you have a solar panel that produces energy when the sun is out. In the past, there were houses that just take energy. Now people have their own solar panels on their roof, which means sometimes they actually give power away. So we have been working on algorithms to work now with the true but more difficult optimization problem.
I do some research on social media and spread of misinformation. Information cascades over a social network faster than ever. So we'll try to identify the sources of misinformation and how the information spreads through this network and what kind of strategies we can follow to stop the spread.
We are working very closely with NASA in trying to understand if we can predict whether 5 or 6 people who are put into isolated, confined environments, if we can predict what their dynamics would be. And that is something that I believe is not just going to be confined to space travel. Northwestern is amongst a few leading elite institutions that have been at the forefront of recognizing that areas such as computational social science need to have a home in departments such as ours.